transfer foil in a white bottle. Make sure you cure at least 60 seconds. Can I get some air on, please? So let me apply this transfer foil on. Hey, Sweet Ambitions. Yes, Sweet Ambition, will you have things to encapsulate for Christmas? Yes, there are the whole anti-charm collection for Christmas collection. If you look into the sections of Halloween and Christmas, there's all the Christmas newest one up to date up there. Check it out, and then you can able to use 20% off from special 70,000 follower sales. And I'm also doing this one as well. I think I'm gonna do like have diagonal on this side, and then we'll see. Once I'm gonna do a full look, and once we'll just like half of the nails. Here for 30 seconds. However, different lamps might doing a different like result. So if your LED lamp needs a little bit longer time, absolutely do so. This one. You're welcome. Hey Mama Vic, hi Debbie. Was Debbie have a question earlier and we didn't see it? Hey Lily, hey Lily, hey Keijo Lily, and hey our Lily. Hello Karina, how are you? So let's do this one and get all of them lay right in the middle. You see a lace right in the middle, and I will press it on this side. Now with my tweezers. You can do a base underneath either light colors, or you can do it solid colors underneath. It's only if I'm missing it because I didn't apply all of the glue gel on. It should be come right off. Ah, perfect. I'm going to do crystal around the cuticles area. You see that how it transfers? Great. And this one, see if we can get that. Just half of it. Can you able to look it up on the questions? Hey, oh, hello everyone. Welcome back to our live tutorial brought to you by Glitz Accessory and such, and it is absolutely free for all of you, for beginner nail tech, for nails lovers. There you go. So let's having fun and playing with the crystal placements on this too. Hey Samantha, how are you? Hey, thank you so much, Pam. Hey, Pams. Laurie. Oh, Laurie, you love this. I'm so glad you like it. It's so cute. You can do so many different designs with this. And let me get my condensed glue gels. Really thick density. This ones will last you for a long time. Make sure every time you get the transfer foil out, the condensed glue gel out. Make sure you close the caps on to protect it, prevent it from getting here under LED lights, your table lamp, or a natural sun, for just in case that you have your seat or your station right closer to the window or the door. Just pin this, clean it up, and cap on. Who win the mixture? We haven't announced the winner yet. The winner will be announced on the end of the live videos. Okay, so now we're gonna put in a no wipe top coat. And floating on the top. Hope you all have a great Tuesday. And I have a very cool is the Metal Art Charms, and this is the number 1 and this number 2. You might notice different that the number 1s have a smaller and have all different seashells and all of the seas and more like a tropicals like stud. And then this one have a lot of more frames like feathers and small others. You have like all the seashell stuff, but it's not like that one. So I'm gonna using probably this collections first. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. I'm not using this right there. And now I'm just gonna add in a lot of cute crystals. Let's see if I get something cool out of this. And that. I keep just right here just in case, because I don't want to get it messed up. This is a baby meat jars, the newest collection. It's cute, few of them. The best way to achieve this look, a little bit. Hey Kristen, hey Keisha. Hey, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Can you get me a tray for that one? I'm gonna pour this in my tray. Get a smaller one. You don't have to get all of this completely. Cover the nails. I think I need smaller beads over there on one of them. Yeah, the gold beads. Thank you. You know, if you have the longer nails, that's gonna be so much easier. It's like you have more rooms. However, if you have a smaller ones, absolutely still looks super cute though. Like it doesn't have to be long one, just to give you information. Like it's just a little bit of preference. Like if you have longer nails, you can do so much more. However, it doesn't limit of you can do with this short nails. I like short nails as well. For all of you who have short nails clients, Okay. And I will, so even this design, if you are creating this look to your clients at your salons, how much would you like, or how much would you think you would charge for, to be fair for you and your clients at your area, at your salon's location? How much would you think? I did have transfer foil, sorry, my nail's moving. I have transfer foil underneath, and then I did have a crystal and charms on it right now. Just a little bit, this one. Hey Linda, how are you? Hi Eric. Hello, hello. We are so excited. We can't wait for your live. We're missing Eric. Beautiful work, Eric. Glad to see all your beautiful work today. It's amazing. Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing. Great. Great. So I'm happy with this. I am going to clear this under LED lights for 60 seconds.